Welcome to the AutoVerse, where we dive deep into the history and evolution of iconic cars. Today we're taking a look at the old-era muscle car, the Subaru 360, a small yet iconic car that holds a special place in automotive history. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The Subaru 360, produced from 1958 to 1971, is often referred to as the people's car of Japan. With its compact size, it's hard to believe that this tiny vehicle packs such historical significance. Under the hood, the Subaru 360 is powered by a small 0.36-liter, 2-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces a modest 25 horsepower. While this may seem underwhelming by today's muscle car standards, the Subaru 360 was built for efficiency and practicality, designed for navigating narrow streets and providing affordable transportation during Japan's post-war economic boom. The engine's low output was more than enough for the car's lightweight body, allowing it to maintain surprisingly decent performance for its size. The exterior of the Subaru 360 is instantly recognizable, with its bubble-like shape and curvy body lines. It features a compact, charming design, with a rounded roof, small wheels, and a rear-engine layout. The car's size and shape were engineered to maximize interior space, while keeping the vehicle lightweight and fuel-efficient. Its minimalistic yet functional design has made it a beloved classic among vintage car enthusiasts and collectors. Inside, the Subaru 360 offers a very simple, yet efficient layout. The cabin is basic but comfortable, with room for 4 passengers, though space is certainly tight by modern standards. The interior is straightforward, with a no-frills dashboard, basic controls, and simple upholstery. While it may not have the luxurious features of modern cars, the interior of the Subaru 360 is charming in its own way, reflecting the practical nature of the car. As for the price, the Subaru 360 has become a collector's item in recent years. Depending on condition, restoration, and originality, you can expect to pay anywhere from $8,000 to $20,000 for a well-maintained model. Rare versions, or those in pristine condition, can fetch even higher prices, making this small car a surprisingly valuable piece of automotive history. Thanks for tuning in to the AutoVerse. If you enjoyed this look at the Subaru 360, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay connected for more exciting car reviews and automotive content as we continue exploring the world of cars, both old and new.